Now that, my friends, is not too bad at all. What's up guys, it's Mohammed here from tekkerreviews, back again with another video. So LED strip lights is something I'm sure we're all familiar with, whether it be behind your TV, work desk or under your kitchen cabinets. Over time we've seen them go from one static light option into fading transitions. It was only recently I came across RGBIC lights, which basically allow you to independently control each LED light on your light strip. That will then let you simulate awesome effects such as RGB rainbows. The LED strip lights you're seeing on screen are Govee RGBIC LED strip lights, which I have been loving ever since I got them. So when Govee reached out to me and asked me to try out their new Immersion RGBIC TV backlights, which basically captures the colors displayed on your TV and then outputs them into the LED lights included inside, I wasted no time in saying yes and couldn't wait to test it out. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing, testing and reviewing the Govee Immersion TV backlights and see if this product is really worth all the hype and adding to your RGB collection. But before we do that, as always guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful, then please support your boy by hitting that like button below. And if you want to see more videos and stay up to date each time I release a new vid, then defo consider subscribing and turning on that bell notification. Now without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So first things first guys, let's check out the packaging. On front, you have the Govee logo, as well as the name and image of the Govee TV backlights. You also have some supported features such as Google Home and Alexa support. On the side, you have some more product features and company information towards the back. Now, as soon as you open the box, you are greeted with a thank you message for choosing Govee, followed by the 3.8 meter LED backlights located inside this plastic cover, which is compatible for 55-inch to 65-inch TVs. Next, you have the user manual and some additional product information. Starting with the larger boxes, you have the orange sticky pads which will be used for calibration later on, followed by the 1080p camera that is used to capture your TV screen image colors, which is then passed on to the LED lights. Now, it does this by feeding information into this controller box, which is then sent to the LED lights. Finally, towards the bottom, you have your country's power adapter and some adhesive pads that can be used to support and hold the LED lights. Now, in regards to the product breakdown, we're just going to quickly go over the items shown on screen. Starting off with number 1, the LED lights have a total length of 3.8 meters and are split into 4 sections which stick to the back of your TV via adhesive. The LED lights connect to the controller hub via USB Type-C and have direction arrows which we'll be covering later on throughout the video. Next, we have the 1080p camera, which captures the image on screen and transmits the colors into the controller, which is then fed into the LED lights. The camera can be placed either on top or bottom of your TV via adhesive sticky pad. The controller is pretty much the central hub of this system and connects the camera and LED lights together in sync. You also have some buttons which allow you to change the color of the lights manually or adjust the brightness levels. Finally, you also have the power adapter which connects to the controller hub in order to get this bad boy up and running. Right, now that we've covered the unboxing and product breakdown, let's go straight into the setup process. The very first step will be to apply the LED strip lights to the back of your TV. In my case, I will be applying the LED lights from bottom left going in a clockwise direction. Once done, insert the USB Type-C end into the controller hub and then connect the 1080p camera. For this example, I will be adding the camera on top of the TV. Connect the camera into the controller hub and then finalize the install process by inserting the power adapter and then hitting the power button. Next, install the Govee app from the Google Play or Apple App Store. As I already have this installed, I'm just going to open the app. Once opened, you are then presented with the home page. Start by selecting the plus icon on the top right and then locate the Govee Immersion LED strip lights under the LED strip light tab located towards the bottom. The app will then start locating the Immersion TV backlights via Bluetooth, so just make sure you have that switched on. Once detected, select the device and the connection should then be established. From here, you can also rename the device, which I will be calling Govee TV Backlights. Next, we will connect the device to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection. Now, this step is optional, however, I plan to control these lights using my Amazon Alexa devices. The app will then prompt you to turn on your indoor lights and turn off your TV. From here, apply the orange calibration sticky pads onto your TV by following the instructions on screen. Select where your camera is located and then confirm the direction of your LED strip lights. You will then be prompted to adjust the alignment settings and dimensions of your TV screen. Drag the lines and adjust them accordingly by connecting them to the orange sticky pads. Once alignment is finalized, hit submit and the setup process should now be complete. For Alexa setup, navigate to the skills menu and search for Govee Home, connect your account and you should be good to go from here. So first impressions guys, I am genuinely blown away at how good and awesome these TV lights look once fully connected. I'm not gonna lie, I was a bit skeptical at first as I thought there would be huge delays between the image and color change, but surprisingly, it actually did quite well. Don't get me wrong, it's not real time or pinpoint exact, but the immersive experience you get while having the Govee TV backlights running in the background is something that I think you guys should definitely try out and experience yourself. I can see why some may find this a little distracting, but in my scenario, I will definitely be having these running in the background by default for sure. The Govee app is super easy to navigate through. Once the app loads, you are presented with the homepage, which contains a list of all your connected Govee products. In this example, we will mainly be covering the Immersion TV backlights. Once selected, you can configure settings such as the lighting effects center, timer, brightness, and DIY, which lets you configure the LED strip lights LED by LED. You also have 4 option modes towards the bottom, which include music, which displays the LEDs based on sound and noise, video, which captures your TV screen, color, which lets you configure the color of each LED, and scene, which displays a range of preloaded animations and color combinations. Finally, you also have the power button, which toggles the LED lights on or off. Before we summarize guys, if you enjoyed today's video or found it helpful in any way, then please show your boy some love by hitting that like button below. Your likes really do help support the channel and it lets the YouTube algorithm know I did a good job on this one. Now, let's get back to the video. Overall, as a lover of RGB or anything colourful and flashy, I really do feel like Govee have done a great job here with their new Immersion TV backlights. Being a previous user of their products, I honestly thought the RGBIC strip lights were as good as it will ever get, but using the immersive backlight while watching your favourite movies or TV shows is an experience that you will definitely have to try out for yourself. At times, it does actually feel like it makes my TV bigger in some scenarios, but I totally get why some people may find this a little distracting. However, if it does bother you more than expected, then you can easily reduce the brightness level by going through the Govee app. In regards to pricing, you can pick up the Govee Immersion RGBIC TV backlights from Amazon for around £72, and you can find the link to purchase in the description below. But that's all from me guys. What are your thoughts on the Govee TV backlights? And is this something that you would purchase? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'm Mohammed from Tekkerreviews, and I'll see you all in the next video.